Hey, little chickadees, just wanted to bring you another moment of quick science. Today we're talking about our third kind of heat transfer, and that is radiation. I am currently enjoying one of my favorite forms of radiation. Now, radiation doesn't necessarily mean nuclear fallout. I know it's definitely associated with it, but radiation is actually the act of something coming out of something else. So when it comes to heat from the sun, that's the sun. I know it's very bright. To give you an idea where it is, just in case you weren't sure where the sun is located. The radiation from the sun is the heat from the sun, so it radiates towards us. Again, radiation just means something moving out of something else. Now, between the three types of heat transfer, radiation is direct. It doesn't need anything to move through. It just hits our skin, it hits something else. Whatever it hits, it causes it to be warm. Also, if you're around a campfire at night and there's no sun out and you feel that warmth from the fire, that is also radiation. The warmth is radiating towards you and making you warm. Now, the big difference between radiation and conduction/convection is the fact that radiation, again, doesn't need anything to travel through. It's just coming straight onto me, and it feels so nice. Out here, the sunshine. Not everyone likes the sunshine. I really do, just because I'm from the Sunshine State, so I guess it comes naturally. But convection and conduction actually need something to transfer heat through. Remember, conduction was when something is hot and it touches or is close to something else that is not hot, and the heat conducts into that other thing. So remember, boiling pot on the stove, ask your parents, boiling pot on the stove, the handle is hot just because the water inside is warm, and so it's traveling through that metal. Metal is a great conductor of heat. If you've ever touched something metal and warm on a hot day, like your seatbelt buckle or keys or the bench of a brand new picnic table, and it heats up your bum and it kind of hurts. That is all conduction. Now, convection needs to also move through something, such as a liquid. Remember, I was talking about, again, the pot on the stove. The liquid inside is constantly turning over. The cold is typically at the top, or colder typically at the top, and the warmer is typically at the bottom because it's closer to the heat source. So it's constantly moving around and around until all the water is the same temperature. So that's pretty cool. Also, when I was talking about convection, that's also how the water cycle actually happens through the evaporation and condensation. That action is actually conduction as well. Anyway, those are your three types: conduction, convection, and radiation. It's so nice. So tomorrow we're going to talk about what we can do with these three different types of heat transfer. All right, aside from that, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Add questions in the comments below. Thanks.